Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm happy you are here because today we are going to talk about something very important, speaking English naturally in daily life. Many learners know grammar rules. Many learners know vocabulary, but they feel afraid to speak. They feel nervous, slow, or unsure. Today, I want to show you how to make English a natural part of your daily life. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need long speeches. You just need to speak comfortably, clearly, and naturally. Maybe you know this feeling. You want to speak English, but your mouth feels stuck. You think, I am not good enough, or I will make mistakes. These thoughts stop you, but today we will practice ways to break that wall and speak freely. The first secret is this: speak every day, even a little, even one sentence. Your mouth, your tongue, and your brain need daily exercise. If you don't speak, your speaking muscles feel weak. Speaking is a skill, and every skill grows with practice. Start with simple sentences about your life. Describe what you are doing. I am making tea. I am reading a book. I am walking in the park. You don't need complicated words. The goal is to get your brain and mouth used to English. When you speak every day, English becomes a habit, and habits are powerful. Another important tip is listening. You cannot speak naturally if you don't hear natural English. Listen to short videos, podcasts, songs, or conversations. Pay attention to how people speak, the rhythm, the tone, the pauses, and the words they use. When you listen every day, your brain catches the patterns automatically. Then when you speak, your sentences sound natural. Shadowing is another powerful technique. This means repeating what you hear exactly like the speaker. Listen, then say it with the same rhythm and tone. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, just copy the sounds. Shadowing trains your mouth, your tongue, and your ears at the same time. Do this a little every day, and your English will flow more naturally. Another secret is thinking in English. Many learners translate from their first language, and this slows down their speaking. Try to describe your thoughts directly in English. For example, when you see a dog, think, "The dog is cute," instead of translating from your first language. This makes your sentences faster and more natural. Your brain will learn to speak English automatically. Practice phrases, not just words. In real life, we don't speak individual words, we speak chunks. For example, instead of learning eat alone, learn I want to eat, I like to eat pizza, I am eating lunch. When you practice phrases, your English becomes smooth. Words connect naturally, and your speech sounds like real conversation. Use daily situations for practice. Speak English when you are cooking, cleaning, walking, or shopping. Talk to yourself. Speak out loud in simple sentences. You don't need a teacher or a partner at first. Your brain learns by speaking. Step by step, you will feel more confident. Another natural habit is asking questions. Questions are everywhere. Ask yourself questions in English. What am I doing? What do I want to eat? How am I feeling? Ask your friends questions if possible. Simple conversations make your English alive. Speaking naturally is not about long speeches. It is about connection and communication. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns what is correct. The more you speak, the more your pronunciation improves, the more your sentences improve, and the more confident you become. Mistakes are friends, not enemies. Another tip is to copy natural expressions. When you hear a phrase like, "That's awesome," or "I see what you mean," practice it. Use it with your friends or in your self-talk. These natural expressions make your English sound fluent. Phrases are the building blocks of natural conversation. Reading out loud also helps. Pick short texts or dialogues. Read slowly and clearly. Feel the rhythm of the sentences. Reading out loud trains your voice, your mouth, and your confidence. Your English will feel more natural when you speak to real people. Also, be patient and consistent. Speaking naturally does not happen in one day. It happens every day with small steps. Even 5 minutes of speaking, shadowing, or reading daily is better than one long study session once a week. Small, consistent practice builds natural fluency. Remember, natural English is about clarity, confidence, and rhythm, not perfection. Focus on being understood, not perfect. Focus on connecting your ideas, not translating word by word. Focus on enjoying English, not stressing about mistakes. When you enjoy, your speech flows automatically. Finally, your mind is your best tool. Believe that you can speak naturally. Encourage yourself. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving. Positive thoughts help your voice flow and your sentences come easily. Confidence grows every time you speak, every time you practice, every time you try. Thank you for spending time with me today. You are learning, practicing, and growing. Keep speaking every day. Keep listening. Keep shadowing. Keep thinking in English. Step by step, your English will become natural, smooth, and confident. Your voice matters. Your English is improving. Keep believing in yourself and enjoy the journey.